What's up guys? Week 43 of my journey. In this video, I'm going to talk about the thing you need to succeed in real estate. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. My name is Ben, your agent at benyouragent.com. Thanks for tuning in. I'm with eXp Realty, and like I said, I am going to explain the thing you need to succeed in real estate. And what are some of the things people say today that you need to succeed in real estate? All the talk has been about leads. Leads. Well, that's not what I'm talking about today. And other people might say it's scripts. Yeah, we can say scripts, just like I've been talking about in my last video in cold calling. In order to know what to say and how to say it to people, the right thing, script is needed to be. But that's not what I'm talking about either. And some people say things out of the extreme, like a videographer. Yes, you kind of need a good videographer if you're doing a video like this, but that's not what I'm talking about. Today, I'm talking about the big word that starts with an A. Now, some of you guys don't want this. You might not even want this, but I'm going to tell you this word here that everyone needs to have it. And what is that word? That word is accountability. Many people know me and how I'm very involved in the Bible, and accountability is actually very used in churches today, but it's very rarely used in business. And accountability, what is that? Well, accountability is when you can link up with someone like a mentor or a trainer in the gym, or someone in your office preferably, that can keep you on track, accountable. If you think about your financial planner, they keep you accountable with your finance. If you think about your gym trainer, they keep you accountable to your gym training. Well, in real estate, we need people that will keep us accountable with doing real estate activities and real estate goals. So, do you know your goals? First of all, write them down. Second of all, find someone who you can trust, who is on fire. You don't want to find someone who's not motivated. You want to find someone who's on fire, right? Who's going to keep you and ask you every day, daily, yes, I'm talking about daily, what your goals are and what their goals are, and you both keep each other accountable. Now, I'm going to share you one great thing that I've been doing this week, which is I've been starting a 100 points tracker system, and I got it from a teammate named Mark Patterson, and honestly, I love it. This sheet that I keep myself accountable goes over all the high productive activities. Now, if you want it, I shared it on my Facebook groups and stuff like that. But if you want it, I would definitely email you. Just leave your email on the comments in this video. And accountability is something you don't want to do, but you have to do it. Why? Because we're human. We're human beings. We sometimes get lazy, or sometimes throughout the year we might not see ourselves on track and we just change it up. No, you don't want to change your goals. You want to stay on track. So accountability, guys, is that one humongous thing you need to be a successful realtor. I hope this helps. If there's other topics that click in your mind that you want me to help you out with, please share it also in the comments. And if this helps and you want to find an accountability partner and you want them to understand what this thing we need in real estate to thrive, please share this video. And also, thank you for all the likes and all the subscription. I look forward to helping you guys out in the future. Thanks for watching my video. See you on the next one. Have a great day.